Hello. Today we talk about ancient Babylon. It was a great city. It was more than 3,000 years ago. Babylon was in Mesopotamia. Today, that is Iraq. It was near two big rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates. Babylon became rich. People came from many places. They traded goods and gold. The city had strong walls, very big and very tall. People were safe inside. Babylon had kings. One king was Hammurabi. He made new laws. The laws were written on stone. He said, "If you do wrong, there is a price." His laws were famous. Babylon had temples and towers. Streets were wide, houses were strong. The city was full of color. People wore robes and jewelry. They played music and told stories. One wonder was the Hanging Gardens. They had trees and flowers. They were high like a green mountain. Water came from the river below. People said, "This is one of the wonders of the world." People farmed. They grew wheat and barley. They had sheep and goats. They made bread, beer, and cheese. They wrote on clay tablets. They used a tool called a stylus. They spoke Akkadian. People believed in many gods. They prayed in big temples. One tall temple was the ziggurat. It looked like a pyramid with steps. People brought gifts to the gods. Babylon was great for many years, but one day it fell. King Cyrus of Persia took the city. He did not burn it. He made it part of his land. Babylon became quiet. Time passed. The people left. The buildings broke. Now Babylon is gone. But its story lives. Ancient Babylon was strong. It was full of beauty and life. It gave the world laws, eyes, writing, and stories. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell what you think in the comments.